Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about another important function in Google Sheets, which is HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is similar to vlookup, but it works horizontally. HLOOKUP means horizontal lookup. Instead of searching down a column, it searches across a row to find a match, and then returns related data from another row. Now let's look at the syntax of HLOOKUP. Equals HLOOKUP, search underscore key, range, index, is underscore sorted. Here, search underscore key is the value you want to search for, range is the table where you want to search, index is the row number from which you want the result, and is underscore sorted tells Google Sheets whether the data is sorted or not. Now let's see an example. We have employee data where headings like name, salary, and investment are placed in the first row, and employee information is listed below. If I want to find the salary of the second employee, we will use the HLOOKUP function. We will write the formula. Equal to HLOOKUP bracket salary, comma, A1:I12, 3, false. Here, salary is the search key, A1 to I12 is the range, 3 is the row number because the second employee's data is in the third row of the range, and false is used because the data is not sorted and we want an exact match. After pressing enter, you will get the salary of the second employee. One important thing to remember is that HLOOKUP searches from top to bottom and works best when your data is arranged horizontally. This is how HLOOKUP works in Google Sheets and Excel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.